Peace be upon you and welcome back to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. Today's recipe is a cake of the Unmolding cake. It turns out super soft, made in a very easy way. Let us go through the ingredients. Here I have 1 cup of milk at room temperature, 1 cup of oil, half a cup of sugar. Normally it's 150 grams, but I used half of that amount. 1 cup of shredded coconut, about 50 grams. It should be fine, or you can grind it if you like. A pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 2½ cups of flour. Flour always depends on the size and quantity of the liquid ingredients you have. I also have 3 large eggs, 2 packets of baking powder, 8 grams each, so a total of 16 grams, plus 1 packet of vanilla sugar, and 1 tablespoon of apricot jam, and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Let us start by blending all the liquid ingredients together. I've added 3 eggs here. Now I'll pour in the cup of oil, the cup of milk, half a cup of sugar. I used about 70 grams only, and the yogurt. Now I'll add the vanilla sugar and the tablespoon of apricot jam. Then 1 tablespoon of salt, pinch of salt, which is essential to balance the flavor. Now I'll blend all these ingredients together. Once blended, I'll pour the mixture into this bowl. Now I'll add the cup of shredded coconut of 50 grams. Then the first cup of flour, and I'll mix it gently. Now adding the second cup, and the baking powder, 2 packets, about 16 grams total. Mix everything until no flour remains visible. Now I'll add half a cup more if needed, depending on the consistency. Mix it well. The batter is now smooth and ready. Finally, I'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix. This should be the last step before baking. Now I'll pour the batter into a buttered and floured baking mold. Then I'll bake it in a cold oven at 180 C, turning on only the bottom heat. After about 40 minutes, I'll switch on the top heat for 5 minutes until the surface is golden. Each oven is different, so just watch your cake carefully. Once baked, let us move on to the final look. And here is the final result, a soft, fluffy Richibond cake, so light it feels like a cloud. I brushed it with syrup and sprinkled it with coconut on top to match the filling. That is the final look. I hope you like it. Let me cut a piece so you can see the inside. Look how tall and soft it is, mashallah. It is simply beautiful. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with the latest recipes from Spice and Easy Kitchen.